Sabi ni Kiruhi, I get your point, but let's not compare a kid saying they want to be a superhero to someone realizing they're LGBTQ. That's not a phase or just some imagination. It's part of someone's identity. And that's what exactly I was talking about. You do not let a kid who doesn't have the right mind to select their identity. Kasi anong gagawin mo pag sinabi niya, I identify myself as a dog? Sige nga. Oh, pagbibigyan mo? Malamang hindi. So bakit mo pagbibigyan yung isang bata na walang alam doon sa complexity ng mga bagay na hinihiling niya? Ano, dahil lang para ma-heal yung inner child ko kasi hindi ko naranasan yan. Kasi ito yung gusto ko ibigay sa sarili ko pero hindi ko naranasan yan. Ganon. Supporting a child doesn't mean you're rushing them into anything. It means you're giving them a safe space to explore, to ask questions, and to be honest about themselves without fear. That kind of support actually prevents harm. Kids are always safe to explore. But of course, everything with a limit. Hindi naman pwede, gusto kong i-explore. Ano ba lasa ng Red Horse? Diba? Ano ba lasa ng Shabu? O ano ba lasa ng Etits? Diba? Ganun kasimple yung kasi bigay hilig parate yung gustong mangyari ng mga magulang ngayon that they do not even know how to control their kid anymore. Studies have shown that LGBTQ youth who feel accepted by their families have lower risk of depression, anxiety, and even suicide. Kaya hindi ito tungkol sa trend or labels. It's about saving lives, building trust, and allowing young people to grow with dignity and love. Guidance and support aren't opposites. They go together. You can guide a child without invalidating who they are. Pag sinabi mo sa magulang, I identify myself as a millionaire. Pengi nga 50 mil. Baka nambalos ka nun, di ba? Well, kidding aside, ano ba ang hindi pwedeng gawin ng isang bata pag hindi siya nag-transition ng maaga? Gender identity in kids doesn't have much to do with the activities that they can indulge with. Like for example, laruan. Wala namang problema maglaro ng luto-lutuan ng lalaki. Wala namang problema maglaro ng kotse-kotsihan yung mga babae. 'Di ba? I mean, they can do it without transitioning gender. 'Di ba? They can play with whatever they want without affirming na, oo anak, ganito yung gender mo. Sige, pagbibigyan kita, ito yung gender mo. 'Di ba?
This is Pinoy Extreme.